No problems, just situations.
Hey guys, John with Tech Reviews 919, where there's no problems, just situations. Here's video number 2. This one you may already know about, but I'm going to talk about it because I like it. Ebates. Ebates is basically a discount. Not a discount, you get credit for you shopping at different stores. Different stores have percentages and you earn points, so you will go to ebates.com. If you're not using this, use it, especially if you are shopping online. I do a lot of shopping online, especially on Amazon. My wife uses it. She actually makes more money than I do with it. She uses it with, I believe it's belts. She uses it on belts. Yep, belts. And Kohl's is another big one. Walmart. My big one is Amazon, of course. It breaks down what the percentage is. It's a really cool site. Again, I've said this before, I've never really been big into this type of stuff, but now that I see that it works and it's legit, um, you can see I haven't made a lot of money, but hey, money is money. You know, my wife's, of course, is a lot higher than that. I expect mine to go up, and this site is great. Sometimes I notice, like, if you do something wrong, or like if I order something from Amazon, I don't see I get the credit. And all I do is go into the website and click help, and I'll say I'm missing cash, and then I put the information here, Amazon, the order number, and then very fast. There's only been one time where they did not give me no money, and it's because my purchase did not qualify. It wasn't bought in one of the sections that you get a percentage. But that was fine. That was one out of, I've probably had to submit 5 times maybe. Um, but it's great. You got all kinds of online stores. Trying to go back to the main page. I don't know why it wasn't sending me back. But anyway, sorry. It's got a little bit of everything. Models. I don't have a Models here, but I know what that is. Macy's, AT&T. You just have to train yourself to use it. Ulta. I mean, it's got a little bit of everything. Um, we started using it probably. My wife started using it probably around Christmas time, and that's where she's probably racked up most of her cash. And they send you the money, and you refer friends for you get $25 when you refer people and they sign up. You get a little custom thing here. You can click on share. Um, it's great. I mean, it's not a scam. Some people, oh, it's just another scam. No, if you shop online, this works. And you can actually use this with other rewards programs like Honey, which I'll probably do a video on Honey too. Um, but it's great. I mean, you see it's right here. I mean, I've received a couple of checks. My wife's received several checks. And like I said, the more I'm going to start probably buying more and more products. And it's great because with their, like, I've been doing some reviews, product reviews, and a lot of the product reviews you have to actually purchase the product up front when you're first starting out, even though they reimburse you because of Amazon's policies on giving free stuff for reviews, and you get credit for it. Um, it works out really nice. Trying to think, you get different stuff. Amazon's 5%, and let's see what else we can look at. That's double hot deals, free gifts. It's you're shopping anyway. Best Buy, Walgreens, Gillette. I mean, it's pretty much all major brands and even some small ones. Uh, Free gifts. You can actually, free gifts with selected beauty orders. It's just different promotions that they run. Buy one, get one free. Again, this is not going to be a long video. You have to look around, and if you would sign up, if you haven't signed up, if you want to sign up with me, I'll put my link in the description of the video, or you just take it from here. It's Ebates /r/John, capital John, JU24, it looks like, but I don't know if that's the whole thing. No, that's the whole thing right there. But it'll be in the link. The link will be in the description. It's fun, and like I said, you earn. I look at it like saving money on my purchases. It's not really earning money. It depends on how you look at it. They even got some travel and vacations and stuff. But you can spend some time on it. Check it out yourself. I'm not the professional. My wife is a little bit more professional with this. I'm learning more and more about it. But if you have questions, send me comments, email me, however you want to contact me. I do answer all my comments. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to me if you haven't already. Like this video. Suggestions, I'm open to suggestions, and I appreciate you watching. I hope you get a chance to check this out. Thanks for watching. Remember, no problems, just situations. Have a good night.
No problems, just situations.